For about 16 or so years before I got here, I had crooked teeth, and then I went through all these permutations that including adult braces, and what started out as a project over 21 years ago to straighten out my teeth, slowly but surely turned me into a hockey player. And I found myself in really, but not making the money hockey players do, and not having the fame of a hockey player, not having the excuse of a hockey player. So my dentist tried cosmetically and with different bridges and all sorts of contraptions to try to make me look whole. I used to laugh and smile a lot, but when I began to have that hockey player look, I didn't want to. I had pieces that were loose. There were things I couldn't eat. There were things that happened while I was eating. And it became a situation that I was like a private dentist for myself. And that's when I reached a conclusion with my dentist. I think we need to go to a different reality, and that reality is implants. My wife actually knew Dr. Klein, not just professionally, but personally. And my dentist knows him professionally. And the word that I got was, this is the only person you can see. This is one of the pioneers. This is one of the people who understands this long before other people understood it. He's not just a professional, Dr. Klein. I think he's the best at what he does. And I'm not someone who really throws around compliments. It's a pleasure to be in his office. I feel comfortable. He explains everything that he's doing to you, Dr. Klein. This is what's going to happen. This is what I'm going to do. This is what you're going to need to do when you get home. The more we got into this, the more I trusted him. I went from almost a hopeless situation to a situation where I don't even think about this. I'm really thankful every day. Actually, I think it's the best I've looked with teeth probably since I'm a teenager. I just live a normal life when it comes to my teeth, speaking, eating. I'm not worried about any of those things. It's not even in the back of my mind at this point, which I find remarkable. Just being normal is a very big deal.